Hi, in today's digital age, it's becoming increasingly important to build personal connections with your audience. This is where Videoask comes in, offering an innovative way to interact with your audience face-to-face and build stronger relationships with them. With Videoask, you can unlock the power of asynchronous video chat. This means that you can record your questions, share your link, and let your audience respond on their own time. With conditional logic and multiple response options, the conversation is seamless and easy to manage. Plus, each interaction is recorded, transcribed, and organized for you, making it simple to keep track of your audience's responses. The potential uses for Videoask are wide-ranging. If you're looking to generate leads, Videoask can help you stand out and make your lead generation funnels more personal, leading to more high-quality leads. It can also be used for recruiting, allowing you to make better and faster hiring decisions by using pre-recorded videos to screen and interview candidates. For those in sales, Videoask can help create a more personal sales experience, leading to higher conversion rates. It can even be used to collect video testimonials from satisfied customers, making it easy to showcase your brand's success stories. But Videoask isn't just for business purposes. It can also be used for audience engagement, allowing you to make your story impossible to ignore through video and build better relationships with your audience. It's perfect for training and education purposes as well, as you can scale your services one-on-one with video or interact with your students after class. What's more, Videoask makes it easy to embed your video on your website using their floating widget. All you have to do is copy and paste the code, and you're good to go, no coding necessary. Overall, Videoask offers a unique way to connect with your audience in a personalized way. With its wide range of uses and easy-to-use interface, it's definitely worth checking out for anyone looking to build stronger connections with their audience.